Hello friends, in this video we will be specifically focused on the classification of carbon. This classification of carbon on the basis of number of other carbon atom that attach to it. So classification of carbon atom, it is further classified into four class. That one will be first primary carbon atom, then secondary carbon atom, then tertiary carbon atom, and then quaternary carbon atom. So you can see the first structure, this compound or the carbon atom which is directly attached or bound to the other one carbon atom, hence it will be the primary carbon atom. Then the secondary carbon atom, you can see the structure. In the structure you can having the two other carbon atom which is directly bound or directly attached to the this carbon atom, hence it will be the secondary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom, in tertiary carbon atom is nothing but the carbon which is attached to the other three carbons, hence this one will be the tertiary carbon atom. And the last one, quaternary carbon atom, the quaternary carbon atom which is attached to the other four carbon atom, hence it will be the quaternary carbon atom. So this scheme is apply only the saturated carbons. This classification is also important to classify the organic compounds which having the different functional group as like alcohol, amines. It will be also applies for that. Also this classification is also applies to classify the carbocations and carboanions. You can take the examples. Here is an example for classification of carbon atom, how to identify the carbon atom. So this is a complex structure. In this complex structure you have to remember the first one, see the structure and then see the various attachment up to the carbon atom. If you see the first carbon atom, so this carbon which will be the bound to the one another carbon atom, hence this carbon will be the primary carbon atom. Then the secondary carbon atom, this secondary carbon atom which is directly attached or bound to the other two carbon atom. You can see this one will be central carbon, if this one and this one will be two carbon which is attached for this carbon, hence it will be the secondary carbon atom. Then tertiary carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom, in this tertiary carbon atom the carbon which is directly bound or attached to the other three carbon atom. So you can see the structure. In the structure this one and this one, these are the three carbon, these are three carbon attached to this carbon, hence this will be the tertiary carbon atom. Then quaternary carbon atom. So it is simple. In quaternary carbon atom, this carbon atom which is directly bound to the other four carbon atom, hence it will be the quaternary carbon atom. Okay, so remember in this structure this quaternary and tertiary carbon atom are bound to the four other carbon atom and three other carbon atom. So reason in the quaternary carbon atom and tertiary carbon atom, this is only found in the hydrocarbons having at least 5 carbon atom and 4 carbon atom. Okay, so this quaternary and tertiary carbon atom is found in branch alkane only, not in the linear alkane. So summary of this video, you can see the class of carbon, this will be primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. You can see the structure, this one will be the first, so this compound is directly attached to the one carbon atom, hence it will be the primary carbon atom. Then second structure, you can see this, so this carbon atom, secondary carbon atom, two carbons attached to the other carbon. In the tertiary carbon atom, three carbons attached to the carbon atom, and last one quaternary, 4 carbon to other carbons, hence you have to remember the only the attachment of carbon atom. If the primary carbon atom, you have to remember the carbon atom which is attached to the another one carbon atom. In secondary, you have to remember the two carbon atom is attached to the this one in, and quaternary and tertiary 3 and 4th carbon atom is attached. Okay, it might be directly attached or the bound to the carbon atom. So you can remember these structures and the classification of the carbon atom. Here is an example for practice. You can make your own practice to identify the primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon atoms. So make your own practice and try to solve the structure. If you have any query, you can comment on the video. We will try to solve it. Thank you for watching.